Silicon carbide is divided into black silicon carbide and green silicon carbide. Two kinds are hexagonal crystals. We are curious about silicon carbide ball press. Is how to work. A boot before cleaning up the debris of the silicon carbide ball press. Fix bolts. Remove the load is allowed to start the silicon carbide ball press. Silicon carbide ball press test machine. First use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise, normal operation before driving. 3 to silicon carbide ball press feed should ensure that the electric feeder feeding uniform and according to the situation of warehouse pressure will adjust the electric feeder to the best effect. 4 after the end of each shift should be silicon carbide press ball machine silo material all used up, shall not leave raw materials. To avoid starting with load, finally normal stop or emergency stop, and dry the opposite order.